What's good? We're back. Quick video here. Just want to bring you guys along. So, as you know from my previous videos, I did the coilovers and the 997. So I got BC Racing coilovers, upgraded Swift springs. Spring rate is 10,000 in the rear, 6,000 up front. With that, of course, you disable the PASM. So I have to code that out. So I wanted to try the DIY method using the Foxwell coding tool, which I just recently got in from Amazon. Link down in the description so you can get you one. And yeah, I'm gonna see if this shit works. So should be a quick video if all goes to plan, but now that goes. So let's get to it. All right, so I put everything over here. All right, so this is the Foxwell tool here. So let's get this out of the box. So this is the, what is it, the Porsche 510. So I think it's the newest version. So hopefully it still works. The PASM is, I'll show you where that's at. Alright. The PASM box is up here. So, let's see where's that. How to get to it. Let me take a flathead screwdriver and unscrew this thing. That comes out, and then this right here just slides down, and the PASM box is right up here. So, if I remember correctly in the video, you have to disconnect this first. So you just push these two clips on the side and pull that off. So I'm gonna leave all this out just in case, and we'll get into the car and try to see what this program is about. PASM fault there. Turn that off. Make sure my radio doesn't turn on. Alright, so now got the OBD plug hooked up. So I believe you hit the Porsche button. Smart bin. Let that do its thing. It is so cold in Florida today. What's going on? Got my hoodie on. Alright, so got the VIN number 2006 997. Looks to be right. Go to programming. Find the, go to gateway control systems, coding adaptations. I think it's this one, acquired vehicle control. Okay, yeah. So then from here, you will find the PASM, not PCM, not PAS, not PAS drive, not PSM, PASM. You hit, says PASM, hit F1 for edit. It'll say not installed, which is what you want. Hit F1 for OK. Write code, switch, F3, hit OK. Code complete, F3. So think. All right. So now the headlight thing is showing up, but not the PASM one, which is what I wanted. And you can see here it's showing PASM not installed anymore. So that's what I wanted. That's what I got. So yeah, seems to be pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Again, this is the new Foxwell. I have iCar Soft 2.0, I believe it is. That I use that for my 992. I tried to do the same thing with that and no luck. Couldn't find any type of coding options for the PASM in that system. When I went to the shop to get my alignment, I asked them if they could do it with the the Porsche computer system, but they said that you have to get like PASM like modules, like block off things, and that's like $300 or $400. So I was like, you know what, this thing is 160, and I was able to do it, and I can use this for all my other coding resets and all that stuff. So this will be dedicated for the 997. I'll keep my iCar Soft for the 992, and I think I still got a BMW one. If you want that, let me know, I'll send it to you. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty easy. Glad I got that cleared off. So now I should be able to run my sport mode without the PASM fault on here, because when you have the PASM fault and you hit sport, you can't even put it in sport mode. It won't let you do any of it. So hopefully now I can run the sport mode and then keep the PASM off and be good to go. So I think that's going to be it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. If you don't know where your OBD hookup is in your Porsche, you probably shouldn't be working on cars. But yep, like, comment, subscribe, run these numbers up. Catch you guys in the next one. Keep being great. Peace.